Hi everyone, I'm Joel Hood, and today I'm really excited to be able to present to you 3 Riflebird Place in Mountain Creek, which is located in a highly sought after position. We're in a no-through road with a park at the end of the street, and you can literally walk around the corner to the local school and the local shops. Let's take a look inside. Thanks so much for watching. If you and your family are looking for a life full of convenience, we look forward to seeing you at the next open home.